Hello friends, 2023 BMW i7. What is new for 2023? The 2023 i7 is a new nameplate and serves as a flagship of BMW's expanding i sub-brand of electric vehicles. Pricing and which one to buy: xDrive 60, $120,295. For now, the only version of the i7 that BMW offers is the all-wheel drive xDrive 60, but we expect a more sporty M Sport model eventually, like the gasoline-powered 7 Series. The i7 is a limo-like luxury sedan that can be configured to pamper rear seat occupants with the optional executive long package. We would recommend that package as it adds plenty of features to justify its price tag, including plush, electrically reclining rear seats with massage, EV motor and power and performance. The i7 uses a similar electric powertrain setup as the brand's new EV SUV, the iX, with two electric motors, one driving each axle, making a combined 536 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard and acceleration is brisk for such a large vehicle. We estimate that the i7 xDrive 60 will hit 60 mph in 4.1 seconds. Handling is surprisingly agile for a large sedan, but still, the i7 won't attract buyers looking for sporty sedan handling. Those seeking a comfortable and luxurious experience will find much to like, and during our first test drive, we noted its particularly smooth ride and hushed cabin. If you would prefer a gasoline-powered 7 Series, one is still available. We review that model separately. Range and charging and battery life. BMW says the i7 should offer a driving range of around 300 miles per charge, but the EPA hasn't released an official estimate yet. The car's large 101.7 kWh battery pack can be hooked up to DC fast charging stations and is said to be capable of adding 80 miles of driving range in just 10 minutes on such a connection. Speaking of charging, BMW is including 3 years of free 30-minute charging sessions at Electrify America charging stations with every new i7. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the i7 should deliver up to 87 mpg city and 92 mpg highway. We haven't had a chance to test the i7 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, but once we do, we will update this video with test results. For more information about the i7's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior and comfort and cargo. Since they were developed jointly, the i7 benefits from the same spacious, luxurious, and upscale cabin ambience as the gasoline-powered 7 Series. In addition to luxuries, the i7 offers a bevy of high-tech convenience features that puts it on solid footing versus rivals such as the Mercedes-Benz EQS and the Tesla Model S. There is generous room in both the front and the rear seats, and fine materials lining every square inch of the interior. Opt for the executive long package and your rear seat passengers will be treated to power-adjustable reclining seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and extra plush headrests. The trunk space is plentiful, but if you are hauling longer items, you will find a handy rear seat pass-through feature. Infotainment and connectivity. The i7 borrows its digital dashboard from the iX SUV, which consists of large floating digital gauge and infotainment displays sandwiched together under a single pane of glass. The two displays offer a clear look at driving date and entertainment features. There is also an available rear seat entertainment system featuring a large 31.3-inch screen that drops from the ceiling and can access streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube via the car's 5G cellular connection. Safety and driver assistance features. A host of driver assistance features is standard with more advanced tech available. Optionally available features include a hands-free driving mode for use on the highway and a parking assistant system that allows the driver to exit the vehicle and park the car via a smartphone app. For more information about the i7's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Key safety features are expected to include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane pressure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a semi-autonomous driving mode. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The i7 comes standard with the same warranty coverage as BMW's other electrified models, the iX SUV and the i4 sedan, which means basic coverage for 4 years or 50,000 miles and more generous protection for the electric vehicle components. All new BMWs also come with a 3-year complimentary maintenance plan. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. EV components warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos about all new cars around the world. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye.